Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. Well, this is our writing week where we get to practice all of the things we've been learning this month and try them out and getting that story out of our brains and onto the page. Well, this is our compass day where we introduce the topic, so I'm going to hand it right over to Victoria to get us started. Victoria?
I love the enthusiastic introduction. I just want to show up and be happy and have fun. So welcome back, everybody. This is our writing week, as you know, and it's time to take the things that we've been looking at and discussing in the previous weeks and combine those things into something to drive your writing. So I'm not going to spoil it by giving too much away, but what we're going to do when we get to tomorrow is I'm going to walk you through some ways of using your writing exercises as an actual vehicle to develop your protagonist and your villain, because as you know, those are the people that we've been talking about as your main characters. So definitely come back tomorrow and let's look at how we write our way through developing those counterpoint characters. With that, let's see what Kathleen has in store.
Okay, thank you, Victoria. Well, I'm not going to miss a beat there. Victoria is going to set us up so beautifully with having a protagonist and a villain. Well, then I'm going to tie that into the character trait that we've been studying, which is humility. And I won't tell you yet how we're going to work with that, but it should be a whole lot of fun contrasting our protagonist and our villain and seeing where we can put humility to work in that process. So come on back tomorrow for our map where we'll get into the details. Anything to add, Victoria?
Nope, get your pens ready because we're going to start writing.
All right, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.